Ever wondered why some people seem to have an uncanny knack for making money in the stock market while others struggle to break even? Well, you're not alone. The world of finance and investing can seem like a labyrinth of numbers, trends, and jargon, enough to send any newcomer running for the hills. But amidst the chaos, there are a few who have not only survived but thrived. One such individual is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, a name that resonates with success in the Indian stock market. His story is not one of overnight success, but a journey of consistent learning, adaptation, and application of fundamental principles. Now, what if I told you that this financial wizard has shared his 3 commandments for mastering finance in 2024? Intriguing, isn't it? So, what are these 3 commandments that have helped Rakesh Jhunjhunwala succeed in the world of finance? Let's delve in. The first commandment is to be patient. Sounds simple, right? But it's harder than you think. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into this. In the world of finance, patience is not just about waiting. It's about understanding that the fruits of your investments often take time to ripen. Take the case of long-term investments, for instance. They might not give you immediate returns like short-term ones, but when they do, they're often higher and more fulfilling. The same patience can save you from making rash decisions like panic selling during market downturns. It's easy to get swayed by the ebb and flow of market trends, but remember, the tide always turns. When it does, those who held their ground patiently often come out on top. So remember, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a necessity in the world of finance. Embrace it, and you'll find yourself one step closer to mastering the art of financial success. The second commandment from Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is to stay informed. Now, what does that mean? It's simple. In the world of finance, knowledge is power. You see, the market is like a living, breathing organism continuously evolving, and to navigate these waters, you need to keep up with its heartbeat. Consider this, if you knew about the tech boom before it happened, you'd probably be a millionaire by now, right? That's the power of information. Staying informed about market trends, industry news, and economic indicators can help you make informed investment decisions. It's like having a compass in the wilderness of finance. Continuous learning is essential. It's not a one-time thing. The market is always changing, and so should your knowledge. Read finance books, follow market news, engage in online forums, absorb as much information as you can. Remember, in finance, an informed decision is usually a good decision. So the more you know, the better your decisions. Stay informed, stay ahead. The third and final commandment is to trust your instincts. Now, this might sound a tad unscientific to some, but let's not forget that instincts are not magic. They are shaped by years of experience and knowledge, and they can sometimes lead to the best decisions. Take the example of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, the ace investor himself. There have been numerous instances where he has trusted his gut, going against the grain, and scored big, like back in the early 90s, when he invested heavily in Titan Company, a then relatively unknown entity. The market pundits raised eyebrows, but Jhunjhunwala trusted his instinct, his belief in the growth story of Indian consumerism, and boy did it pay off. Or consider the time when he held on to his position in Lupin during a market downturn, despite the pharmaceutical sector facing headwinds. His instinct, honed by years of experience, told him to stay put. And the rest, as they say, is history. In the end, no amount of analysis can substitute for a well-honed instinct. Trust it. So, let's recap Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's 3 commandments for mastering finance. The first commandment is patience. Patience is not about waiting for your investment to multiply overnight. It's about understanding the rhythm of the market and having the endurance to see your plans through. The second commandment is to stay informed. Knowledge is power in the world of finance. Keep a keen eye on market trends, understand the nuances of your investments, and always be ready to adapt. The third commandment is to trust your instincts. While information is key, it's equally important to listen to your gut. Your instincts, honed by experience and knowledge, can often guide you towards the right investment decisions. These 3 commandments, patience, knowledge, and instinct, are the pillars of financial mastery. With these commandments in mind, you're well on your way to mastering the art of finance. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time, keep learning, and trust yourself. Happy investing!